Hello guys, in this video we're going to talk about how to change your Roblox keybinds. So in Roblox there are only certain games where you can change your keybinds because this will give a disadvantage to other players who cannot change their keybinds. Therefore, you cannot change your keybinds, but only when you go to settings you can only choose your movement mode, camera modes and such. So there's no such thing as changing your keybinds unless you're in an emulator. That's where you can only change your keybinds because in the emulator you can choose your own keybinds in the emulator settings, but within Roblox you can't do that. So don't go commenting down below that it's not possible, because it isn't really, because it will give a disadvantage to other players who can change their own actual keybinds. But only some games will allow you to change their keybinds, such as games like your Funky Friday where you can change keybinds in your arrows and much more, where unlike this game right here, this is just a random game. I have no idea what game this is. So when you go to settings and there's no keybinds right here, because it's not really available, it will give a disadvantage for other players who are playing with the same keyboard as you, and you just get to change your keybind randomly. So there you go.